welcome back to my channel. So for today, I am going to unbox the Jeffree Star Halloween mystery boxes. I finally got them in. I am so excited, and I want you to join me as I unbox them and we take a look to see what's inside each box. Let's start with the small one. Let's take a look to see what's inside. All right, let's see what's in this beauty. Oh my God, take a look. Let's see, I love the wrapping. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Oh my goodness, look. It's the palette, the mini jawbreaker. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, let's put this over here. So that's item number one. Item number two is a lip ammunition in brown sugar. Take a look at that. See that beauty? And his packaging is everything. I love his packaging. Okay, let's put that over there. And now we have, let's see. Oh, this I believe is the limited edition lipstick that he was going to put in his mystery boxes. And the name is Soul Sucker. Okay, so we got that. And let's see, what else do we have in this box? This is great. I mean, for the price, can't beat it. Okay, and this looks like another liquid lipstick, and the color is, oh, first class. What do you think? Okay. Fantastic. Let's take a closer look at each item. So as I said, there's a mini jawbreaker palette. Take a look how pretty this is. Ooh, look at those colors. So pretty. See that? Okay, and we got the ammunition in brown sugar. Take a look at this beauty. Beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, and let's see what else we have here. And this is that limited edition lipstick that he created, Soul Sucker. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Ooh, very pretty. Okay, and our last one is, let's take a look. Oh my goodness, it matches my nails. Yes, I love it. Look at that. It's like a pretty gold. Very nice. Thank you, Jeffree. Matches my nails. Oh my goodness, I love it. Now for the Big Daddy, this was the medium size box, but it's pretty big. So let's take a look. Let's see what's inside. Oh, first thing I see, a shirt. Yes. I believe this one says can't relate. Love it, love it. All right, we'll put that one there. Definitely a keeper. Ooh, we've got a skin frost in, let's see, mystery frost. Ooh, I think this is a limited edition as well. Okay, and let's see what else. And we have a liquid frost in Goddess. Okay, we'll have to look at that a little bit closer. And what else do we have here? We have Candy Freeze. And this one is soft serve, as in the ice cream. Okay, oh my God, look at this, the gloss. Yes, I actually had not purchased the gloss yet. It's kind of holding off, but now that I got it in this mystery box, and the name is Sky High. Okay, let's take a look at that. Uh-oh, I think this might be another palette. We'll have to look at this. And last but not least, let's see if I can get in here. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's see. I believe this is the limited edition hand mirror. Oh my edition. So I think it was only in these mystery boxes. So I am super, super excited. I can't. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, beautiful. So we got the mirror. And we got the gloss in, as I said, Sky High. Let's take a closer look to see what this looks like. Oh, yes, beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I tell you, he does an amazing job. Jeffree really does an amazing job with packaging. You just can't beat it. Here we have the liquid lipstick in Soft Serve. Let's take a closer look, see what this color looks like. Ooh, it's like a pretty peach. What do we think? Yes, yes. Very nice. Love it. Don't have it, so that's a beauty. And this lip ammunition is in Candy Freeze. And let's take a look at that one. By the way, I'm living for this like bright neon green yellow packaging, but look at that color. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and we have the Skin Frost. Let's see what this looks like. And this Skin Frost, I believe, was also limited edition. So take a look. Isn't that pretty? Very nice little flecks of gold and black, and just really pretty. Okay, and I believe this is another mini jawbreaker. So I think my sister might get this one. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I think this was incredible. Jeffree always outdoes himself, and he said this one was going to be fantastic, and it really was. Between the mirror and the t-shirt and all of these items, I mean, top notch. So, bye everyone.